Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to export ClickUp to Excel, and it's very easy and simple. First, what you want to do is come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, okay? And from here, I want you to come and click on settings from this menu. Now, once we click on settings, we are redirected right here. We have a left-hand panel, and on this left-hand panel, if you scroll down, you'll see import/export. Go ahead and click on this option. And here we are able to export our data to a CSV file. So click on start export, right? Just go ahead and press this button right here to start the export. So I'll go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, my export is ready. Just go ahead and click on download export. And there you go. It is downloaded as a CSV file. And you can go ahead and open that up. And it's really that easy and simple.